Imagine this. You tell your child, study for just 20 minutes. 5 minutes later, I'm tired. But give that same child a mobile game. Suddenly, 3 hours disappear. Here's the question that surprises most parents and teachers. Is the game more powerful than the child's brain? Or have we been teaching in a way the brain was never designed to enjoy? The truth is, children don't hate learning. They hate boring learning. Think about your favorite TV series. After one episode, you immediately want the next one. Why? Because every episode ends with a mystery. Games work the same way. Every small challenge, every reward, every new level tells your brain, keep going. Something exciting is about to happen. That's exactly why children can stay focused for hours. Now let's meet two students. Arav studies from a textbook for 40 minutes. He reads, underlines, memorizes. By next week, he's forgotten most of it. Now meet Maya. She learns the same chapter. But every correct answer unlocks a challenge. Every milestone earns points. Every mistake becomes another chance to improve. Without realizing it, she revisits the same concepts again and again. Guess who remembers more after a month? Not because one is smarter, but because one enjoyed the learning process. Scientists have discovered something fascinating. When learning feels rewarding, the brain releases dopamine. Dopamine isn't just the feel-good chemical, it also strengthens motivation, attention, and memory. That's why children naturally return to activities that make progress visible. It's not about making learning easy, it's about making progress feel meaningful. So maybe the real question is not, why are children addicted to games? Maybe it's, why doesn't learning feel as engaging as a great game? Imagine lessons where curiosity unlocks the next challenge, where every mistake teaches something, where progress is celebrated, and students genuinely want to come back tomorrow. Because when learning feels like an adventure, children don't have to be forced to study. They choose to keep learning.